Hey guys, welcome back. Just need to sanitize because it's that time of the year and need to get rid of my mask. Okay, in this session, I'm going to be discussing 5 ways that you can make money off of Instagram. Now, literally everybody wants to be an influencer, but the tough part is actually building that audience and building that big following that everybody can follow you. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from Instagram, even if you don't have a big following, even if you just like starting out and don't really have a clue on where to start. The first step that you can do is to sell shout outs. Now, selling a shout out is going to other people's pages and commenting and saying, hey, follow at Humble Forex for tips about Forex, and start commenting on other people's pages. You can go to shoutout.com, which is a place where you can sell and offer your services to. So you just go there and you say, hey, I want to offer my services to you guys. Can I give you a shout out? Then maybe you give a shout out on somebody else's page, and all those funny little robot guys where you say, hey, great information that you guys said. Please also look at Humble Forex to talk about Forex, or at somebody who's in fitness and comment about that and give a shout out. And then you can actually make money from that. The second part is to build a following. Now, build a following using content. For example, if you are into fitness, then you can build your page based on your fitness. And if you're into Forex, you can build a page based on Forex, and other companies will come and spot you and want you to do shout outs on their behalf. So get noticed by developing an audience, but you need to stay within those niches. Don't have a page that has coupled with other different things. One time you're doing Forex, one time you're cooking, one time you're trying to gym. You have to focus and remain specific to those specific niches that you're developing. So maybe if you want to do all 3, develop a page that does specifically cooking, specifically Forex, specifically gym and fitness. Develop those things, but create the content and build an audience. Now, if you're very new at this one, if you're very new on Instagram, then this one might be a little harder to do, because you need to create a hell of a lot of content. So the best way to do it is to replicate and model other people. So go to pages where guys have hundreds and thousands and millions of followers and see how they do it. Look at the captions they're using. Look at the content that they're putting up. Look at the pictures that they're putting up and model something similar. Remember, I'm not saying copy, I'm saying model. When you model, you are taking what is existing, you are modeling it and putting it in your form, but don't copy. Copy doesn't mean you must take that person's picture and put it up, and take that person's wording and put it up. That is copy, right? So create a following with specific type of niches, and then put that out and market to other people who want to get access to fitness, people who want to get access to even flower arrangement, even how to put on a globe. Even if you have cats and dog pictures, you can actually do something like that and people will follow that. The third one is to flip Instagram accounts. Now, flipping Instagram accounts is not as easy as it might sound. So all you have to do again is create all those different accounts and actually sell the entire account as it is. So you can take that account and you can, maybe your account is about fitness, you develop it until it reaches a certain amount of followers, and then you sell it to a different person. And you've probably seen it a lot, where you have had an account that has just timepieces, watches and timepieces. All of a sudden, this account now only focuses specifically on those specific brand anymore. It's not a whole host of things. And this is how people are flipping those Instagram accounts and selling them. The more followers you have, the more expensive the account becomes. So if you've got 10,000 followers, then the more money you can actually request for that specific page. But it needs to be a specific niche. I can't stress how important it is that you don't move and sway between ideas. If you are in a niche of watches, don't suddenly start posting cars. You need to stay within the niche of talking about watches. You can also go to FameSwap, which is a website that you can get access to, and you can actually sell or buy pages over there. And that can actually help you boost your income and actually make money off of Instagram. Number 4 is about my personal favorite, which is about selling other people's products or selling your own products. So the more you post about your products, you can do reviews about products, you can talk about reviews of other people's products and give them a link to get access to that product, which is called affiliate marketing. And here's an interesting fact. 10% of your followers will actually watch and swipe up on your video. So if you say you've grown your Instagram account to 10,000 followers, then when you get to your Instagram stories, 10% of your followers will swipe up each time. So you can imagine how much revenue is available if you are able to sell other people's products and give them opportunities to swipe up and swipe up and swipe up, because that's fun, right? So sell other people's products. And when you sell your own product, you can even go as far as boosting your posts, and people can be able to get access to your products and buy them, and you can pay for ads, and that goes to growing your page even more. So create your own products, take other people's products and sell them by using ads and advertising off of Instagram, or offering opportunities to swipe up on your stories, and you can actually make money off of that stuff. That's pretty easy. Number 5 is starting your own agency. Now, remember, starting your own agency is not as easy as it also sounds, because it's all about reputation. So if you don't have a big reputation, then you might actually have to start by offering people free work. And believe it or not, there are many other big businesses that actually don't have great managers on their Instagram. And this is typically people who are self-employed, like a doctor, chiropractor, dog washing businesses. They don't know how to manage their Instagram accounts. So what you can do is you can create a consultancy by applying your expertise about Instagram and what you believe works in Instagram and offer that. So imagine if you started with, maybe you can start so that you're not faking it until you make it. What you do is you just post an ad that says, hey, I'm looking for 3 companies that would like me to manage their Instagram accounts. And in exchange, I will do it for free. And in exchange, you will allow me to use your business as a case study for some of the benefits of using my consultancy. And that will generate great content for you to start marketing to other companies. And you can be able to start a whole agency and actually make yourself some money. You can go as far as managing some artists if you're really good, or managing big businesses which have really great budgets that you can manage online. So in summary, there are 5 ways that you can do it. So 1, you can sell shoutouts. 2, you can create a following with engaging content and staying within the niches. 3, you can flip Instagram accounts by gathering a group of followers and then selling it to other people by using some of the websites that we mentioned. 4, you can start by selling your own products and using the swipe up function and using ads and selling other people's products or your products. And 5, you can create an ad agency. This is 5 ways that you can use Instagram to actually make money in 2020.